Leo here, good morning, and today my girlfriend and I are going to Batangas. I think it's time for some water activities. I can't wait to swim, to be in the beach and to get some sun. So yeah, it's gonna be about a 2-hour ride from San Pablo City, so stick around and ride with us. So I have been recording with my 1R on my motorcycle helmet for quite some time. But I've been putting the device too close to the helmet, so I couldn't really open my helmet and close, so I got an extension for it, so now it looks good. And you know, most of my shots were actually tilted down, so it's just pointing on the speedometer the entire time, so that was a lot of wasted shots. So hopefully this time it won't be, and yeah, so it has enough space there. Are you excited, baby?
Yes, I am.
Where are we going?
Batangas.
Ooh.
Did I say that right?
Batangas! Alright guys, so we're pretty much ready, so here we go. Okay guys, so let's go, baby. We are getting out now. What's up? Good morning. Here we go. Alright, let's go then. Let me bring out the motorcycle. You don't have to take videos, baby. We got everything. Oh yes, please. Let me type in the. You have to type in the address for that. We're gonna do Waze, and then Azure Batangas. No, not working. Okay, boom, bop, boop, boop, boop. Okay, baby, you should wait outside because I'm gonna back it up. Azure Batangas. Azure. Batangas. Batangas. Yes. Ang layo pala. Anilao pala tayo, guys. Okay. Good. Sunod din guys. Kaway. Okay. Yun, i-start ko na. Para makuha magkasa ng konti, no? Ayan. So, as usual, hindi ko lang siya dito para update tayo kay Kulay maya-maya. Guys, as usual, eto na kami. Medyo may pagka-cloudy yung sky, pero mukhang ano naman, mukhang beautiful day naman to ride, so we're good. You doing good back there, Chevita? Good. Yes, it's a beautiful day today. It rained really hard yesterday for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It washed the heat away, so now it's kind of cool. Well, the rainy season is coming, so we know that. guys, eto, tulad nyo naman, gutom na gutom. Natin mga wala na kain. How's your food?
So good. I actually finished everything. Can you imagine? I have this.
Did you even realize how hungry you were?
You know what? I think that's it because why I'm also not hungry at home is because I called it a home. I called your place home. I feel like an Arab woman wearing it. Do you think if I wore like my sister's photographer with one of her face covering, she doesn't actually have face covering, I'll just add that. If I wore one of my sister's photographer, I'd look like one of those exotic Jasmine princesses.
I think you would.
I could fire her.
Come on, hot tub. You could have it. This is like Tagaytay. There you go. VIVERE AZURE. That's it. That's it, right? Okay. Well, it's not where we're going. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Saan ang entrance ko ito? Entrance? Ito ba entrance niya, kuya? Ha? Meron kami. Ah. Alright guys, so we are here at Azure. Whew, heat. Hello. There we are. Hello, kuya. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Wow, look at that. Woo! Guys, this place is heaven. It's beautiful over here. Everything. Much needed, much needed. Look at the waiting area. Amazing, amazing. Great. Alright. Cool.
Like the welcome drink.
Oh wow, thank you, thank you. It comes with drink too. Or let me just sit down real quick. Okay, sige, sige. Salamat kaya. Bait ni kuya, si kuya guard sa labas, parking. Actually, let me switch this side. Let me check my helmet also. So guys, we have finally arrived at Azure, Batangas, Anilao. So we are just checking in. Chevita is doing the paperwork and everything else, so we're all good.
Well, I'm not wasting it. Straight in.
Guys, tingnan nyo naman ang tanawin dito sa Azure. Grabe. Look at that view. So tomorrow we're gonna be doing an island hopping, and then later on today, it's too hot right now, but we're gonna be doing some kayaking and some snorkeling. Sarrrrappp. Alright guys, so Chevita, nag-shower na. He's ready to jump on the pool. Nice sweat. Okay guys, so mamaya maglalakad-lakad tayo, no? Actually ngayon na tayo, maglalakad-lakad tayo. Tignan natin kung anong klaseng kagandahan dito sa mundong to. Ha? Tignan natin. So obviously that's the beach, no? Yan. That's the ocean right there. Yun, may nagkakayak na doon, no? Yeah, it's too hot right now. And beautiful pool. Okay. Kunin ko lang yung chinelas ko guys. Masakit sa paa. You ready to jump in?
Yes, I am. You gonna come in with me?
In a little bit. Let me just show the guys around. Okay. Baba tayo dito. It's under construction right now, so may mga gumagawa kayo sa taas. Pinapalaki nila. Wow! Pinapalaki na nila. Okay, so obviously this stairs is going down to, I don't know, I'm not sure where. Pero tingnan natin. Wow, ganda! Guys, ganda dito. Look. You know, we are now under the pool. Here's the pool. Wow, this is a long walk, I guess. On the way down. So, pababayan guys, all the way there. Cool. So, mamaya na tayo pupunta dyan. Mamaya tayo pupunta dyan pababa at magkakayak na tayo. So, for now, ganda dyan siguro. Mamaya tayo pababa dyan. Balik muna tayo dito. Samahan muna natin si Chevita mag-swimming. Hindi marunong maglango yun, baka malungod. Alam mo na. So sa taas, bar, sa taas. Ayan siya, pa-selfie siya. You know guys, she really doesn't like taking selfies, okay? So like leave her alone, leave her alone. She hates taking selfies. I mean, how can you blame her being in this beautiful place? All you gotta do is take selfies. Okay guys, so papalit na tayo so we could go swimming na. Medyo nainggit na ako dun, nainito na rin ako eh. Malinis na guys, malinis na. Pwede na tayo mag-pool. I'm ready to go on the pool, man. What happened? Huh? Was it hot?
Yeah.
Oh. Look guys, look around us. This is Azure in Batangas, Anilao. It's so crazy, huh? Yeah. So let's go under the water. I don't want to bring it under the water. I don't trust you, GoPro, because you broke 5 of my GoPros. Selfie! So guys, punta na kami sa room namin. How's the water, babe? How's the swimming pool?
Amazing.
Yeah?
The view.
Yeah. Well, this is gonna be a better view, baby. The water's just right there.
I think we have the ocean view.
We're gonna be in the room where the Oh wow, the water is just right there. Oh babe, this is beautiful over here, man.
Dining area.
Okay.
So you can have your dinner, breakfast, and lunch.
Ah, wow, perfect.
You can do also room service.
Oh, okay. I will definitely do it here. Beautiful.
Could we make reservations as well?
Sorry, ma'am.
We don't have to.
Reservations?
We don't. First come first.
Oh,
Sorry.
okay.
Snorkeling and kayaking will be here, sir.
Okay.
All the gear will be here.
Sounds good.
Your room is gate.
Oh, perfect. This is great. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Wow, this is beautiful, baby.
Sorry, just one moment, please.
Yes. Thank you. Hold on.
Anything else, ma'am, is dial 0.
Dial 0. Okay.
And our Wi-Fi password is Stay Safe Azure, all small letters.
Okay. Thank you. Wow, guys. Guys, it's beautiful over here. Check it out. Look at that. Wow, baby, good choice on the room. Look at this, guys. This is like the best place.
Actually, the ocean view.
Yeah, this is the ocean view spot. Wow, look at the bathroom. It's perfect, baby. This is perfect. This is what I'm talking about. This is a hotel right here.
This is.
Yeah, I love
I was
it.
gonna say something, but not really on camera. Wait, I can.
Ooh, oh, there's a shoe rack here too. Check it out, guys. This is the that's it. Did you say your bites multiplied?
No, my back, my body.
Baby, look, the ocean's just right here.
Oh my god.
It's amazing. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I know. We could definitely snorkel for sure.
Yeah.
Love it.
And they've got the they must have the snorkel shoes, right? So
You can't beat this, guys. Anilao Beach, guys. Batangas is the best. Oh wow, look at that. Feel. Are you wearing your slippies?
Yeah.
Okay, good. It's rocky, so be careful, sharp. Ang ganda dito, guys. Grabe.
And we can do kayak.
Yeah, I know.
So we can.
Like around 3 o'clock when the sun is not that harsh.
I hope you did get that. That was like super good.
Yeah, super cute. This is just amazing, guys.
Look at
Woo! Guys, this is like definitely one of the best spots I've ever been to in a long while. The water is cold, but it's okay.
No, babe, this is the
Yeah?
perfect temperature.
Okay, perfect temperature according to her. Don't argue. This is amazing, guys. All right.
And what are we gonna do later, baby? We're gonna take.
We're gonna take the kayak
and scuba dive.
and then it's not scuba dive, snorkel.
Same thing.
No, it's
Okay.
not.
Oh no, it's not. The same. Yeah, sorry. Snorkel.
Noob. We have a noob here saying snorkel and diving. is
No,
the same
I didn't.
thing.
I was mistaken.
You're so good. So look at that. Look at the tree behind us.
And look,
The mountains in our room
is
just
literally right in
there.
the middle. Is right there. Right there.
Crazy. Crazy.
Right there. And tomorrow that's good that we were close to all of this so we could take advantage of the kayak.
Yeah.
Because we're going to move up to the 4th floor. Or the
really?
4th level. Yeah, there's like another.
Oh, right there?
I don't know which one it is from here. But they said something. it's a different room.
So we couldn't book this the entire stay?
They're literally fully booked.
Booty shot. Booty shot.
Oh, my bumper?
Yeah. Okay guys, so naka-snorkel na kami. We're just gonna be walking backwards. Hello. So guys, she is ready to go and I'm just about to get ready. Hold this please. I'm just gonna put my mask on. Ang saya dito guys, grabe. You guys got a chance to check it out. VIVERE Azure.
Beautiful as well.
Batangas.
Amazing.
Beautiful place.
Beautiful place.
Alright.
Absolutely stunning.
Okay guys, so we just finished eating snacks. So we're gonna go kayaking.
And what did we eat?
We had leche flan and the maha, the konya. Maha, mais, maha. Whatever's in maha. Just getting ready to go to the water. And I'm gonna steal the shower from Chevito. Woo, that feels good. That's how you do it, guys.
That is not seawater.
It felt like it.
No, it's not salt. I think it's filtered because it's nice and soft.
Come on in. Yeah, thank you. Ha? Oo, ano. Ang ganda namin sa bundok. Okay, jump on in, baby.
Okay.
Yep, you got it. You got it. Sige, go ahead, go ahead. Actually, it's backward, baby. Your butt should be
This way?
yeah.
Oh.
You should be sitting here in front. I'll take
in
the back.
front? Okay.
Yeah. I'll take the back. And then point it at us.
Thank you.
Turn it around.
This is
You want to paddle or no?
No, I'll hold it.
Okay.
But I want to paddle, but
On the way back,
after,
yeah.
yeah.
So beautiful.
It's so beautiful. show them. Like on this side. Try and get like a really good view.
You can dunk that in the water too. You can see what's underneath us.
I think when we go a bit further, then we can see a lot more. Like they can see a lot more. Oh, look at this baby! Oh my god!
Make sure there's a, maybe there's like there's a, what do you call this, like some turtles underneath. So cute.
Can we go on that rock?
Yeah, that's where we're
Okay,
going.
let's go.
But like, the guy said there's a turtle here, so like this side.
Oh. Okay. See, what would you prefer? Vulcan or this
This
place?
one.
Yeah.
You found it. So
Well,
this in right here, maybe.
okay.
So it doesn't tell.
Okay.
Give me the
GoPro?
GoPro, baby. Let me see. Paddle if you want.
Yes.
Good.
Can I go to that rock?
Yeah, go ahead. All right, good. There she goes. Make sure you don't get poked with those things. Okay, maybe you do. Yeah, so they really do. There you go, baby. There you go. All right, later. Later, Gator. So guys, look how far she is now. She drifted away and I'm on my kayak. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave her there. Alright guys, that is it. Bye Chevita. Alright, if you can see around it. She said bye. Alright, so guys, if you can see around us, we're surrounded with mountains. Welcome to Anilao guys. Ganda dito. Sobra. Okay, ikutan na natin si Chevita. So basically, that's the island. That's our resort right there. That's the Azure Resort. Sarrrrappp, grabe. Ayan. Ay, grabe ganda. Yan, okay. We're gonna set. She's gonna be paddling. Let's see where the stage at. Very good, very good.
Oh, the sky is really nice. I'm actually looking for. Wow, baby, you're going fast. Okay, around the bar. Talk about Speedy Gonzalez.
Okay guys, so tumambay muna kami, nag-coffee. Tapos na yung kape namin. So we're heading back to our room na. Solely, the food was very good, right?
It was really simple, but it was simple, very, very good. Yes,
Simple but very good.
very good.
Okay. So, let's go, baby. No, it's just still here. Started.
I
You just started me. Started.